Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be cooking a chicken tikka madras. Really popular. The chicken's nice and succulent because it's tikka. It's a slightly hot dish. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. I've been helping a lot of people. They've been asking me a lot of questions. So yeah, I'm giving you an insight into British Indian restaurant cooking from A to Z. So let's get cooking. Okay guys, so just warming the pan up slightly. Gonna get about a couple of teaspoons of oil, should do it. So then we've got our garlic ginger paste. Got about a teaspoon and a half should do it. Let that just kind of cook in a little bit. You don't want to let it cook in too much. The garlic will cook very fast and it will burn very quickly. So as soon as it gets a little bit goldeny, we're ready. We're just going to add a couple of teaspoons of tomato puree. Let that cook in the red. Then you've got a Desi star spice. Couple of teaspoons, 1.5 teaspoons should do it. Then put your gas, turn it down. You don't want the spice to melt in. You don't want the spice to burn, sorry. If you need to add a little bit more oil, by all means just add a little bit more. So you want to add about a teaspoon of our chilled chili powder. Then you grab your chicken tikka, pre-cooked chicken tikka. I'm just going to add about 4 pieces, but you can add 5, 6. We normally give about 6, 7 pieces. And then you're ready for your base gravy. And this is quite a saucy curry, so you want to add at least half a pint. If it dries up, you want to keep adding it. You want it to be a very runny curry. So I'm just going to, already I know that's going to dry up a bit more. I'm just going to add a little bit more. You want it nice and saucy. And now you can put the flame up. As long as you're stirring it, cook quickly. Okay, so that's bubbled up nicely. So we're just going to add a bit of lemon juice to it. You want about 2 or 3 teaspoons, not too much, otherwise you go very sour. Okay, so that's bubbled up nicely. I've got a nice thick sauce. My chicken has been cooked well. It's very soft. It's breaking up nicely. So that's ready to go. I mean, if you want to cook it for longer, you can. The sauce will thicken up. Just add a little bit more base gravy. I'm going to add a little bit of coriander. And that's pretty much done. So the sauce is thickening up a little bit. Well, that's about right. That's quite saucy curry. Here you go guys, nice chicken tikka madras.